Hi guys, I've rebooted and it should say that it's the clear kernel. I'm not sure it is, right? Because it looks like it's the same, but maybe the Linux kernel is just like this. I really don't know, right? Never installed this. So does it have another name? So we have two of these guys, and which of them is it? So sudo pacman, I'm gonna go for it, minus remove Linux and Linux header. An S, right? If I remove that one, it can be only one. What's that? Database file does not exist. Okay, whatever. So Linux is gone. Removing Linux headers. And here's the clear. Yes. Here's the clear and here's the clear. Okay. So gotta reboot again. There's only one way you can boot now. It's gotta be clear. All right. Let's save the recording and reboot.